Hello guys, Sunil here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a calculator, simple calculator in Scratch. So let's jump into our Scratch interface. So here's my Scratch interface. I have made the variables. So our first variable will be first number. So we have to enter our first number. The second number will be a second number which will be inserted in the second place, and the result which will come after we insert both first number and second number. So let's start our code. So first let's go to events. When green flag click, set result to 0, set second number to 0. You can do anything. I'm doing from last to first number to 0. So let's put in the side now. So let's do our next block. It will be a very big chunk of block. I'm going to warn you for that. Take a forever loop, then take the if then loop. This will ensure for what they will ask what you want to do. You want to add, subtract, multiply, divide. Then ask, let's ask, we can put it here. And what is this? Okay, now that's what do you what do you want to do? Then we write plus, minus, into, and divide. So next will be if answer is equals to 0. If answer is equals to plus, then if answer is equals to plus, then we will ask give me a first number. This stage will ask you, this sprite will ask you that give me the first number. So just write give me the first number. Give me the first number. Just duplicate this, put it in here, at second number. Next will be we will put set first number in between these blocks. So set first number to answer. Set second number to answer. The answer we give will be this, with the first number, and the second answer will be the second number. So next will be set second number to answer, and then set result. Now this will be then the code. Set result to first number plus second number. For plus it will be plus, for minus it will be minus, for multiplication it will be multiply, and for divide is multiply. So the plus block, take this first number, second number, set result. Go to Mulux, set result, say result for 10 seconds. So we'll just duplicate here, minus this to separate this box. shove it away. Minus block, put it in here. First number. The second number. Again, duplicate this block. Into, then take these off, shove it away. Take this into the operator. Put first number here, second number here. Again, duplicate this block. And wait, slash divide, and take this off, shove it away. Sorry. First number, second. So, you have finished the calculator. So, and another thing we have to do that, yeah, we have finished. So let's test it. Let's say I want to do divide. Next will be, we have to give the first number 15, second number 15, 30. Oh, I'm going to do divide. So 1. So let's choose plus now. Plus 15, 30. Let's choose minus 15, 0, okay, working properly, and into 15, 25. So we have finished our calculator. So the Python introduction is coming very soon, and thanks for watching this Scratch project video. Subscribe my channel, like this video, share it to your friends, and enjoy. So for now, goodbye.